This means absolutely nothing if you do not set an intention.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. Today's video is about something that I use on a daily basis, which is Florida water. So you may be wondering, if you haven't seen it already, what is Florida water? Florida water was created in the early 1800s. Florida water is something that our ancestors used, as well as our grandparents. If you are from the Caribbean or if you're Hispanic, you have probably seen this in your grandma's house, your great aunt house, your auntie's house, even if it's just propped in the house somewhere and barely used. You have probably seen this and wondered what the heck it is and what they use it for. It is sold in stores as a cologne, or people use it as an astringent, but you could also use it to set intentions and manifest things into your life, as well as clear out bad energy that might be in your space, that might be around you, or might be attached to your body that you don't know. The best way that I could describe Florida water is, it's like Palo Santo and sage in liquid form, if that makes sense. Like, it cleanses negative energy, it brings in good energy, it cleanses your space from any bad vibes. I wanted to share this with you guys because 2020 is around the corner, and this year, if you have had a shitty ass year, if you feel like there's something weighing you down and you just don't know what it is, you should probably cleanse your head, cleanse your body, and walk into this new year detached from any negativity, any bad energies, or any demons or spirits that may have attached to you. If you're interested in knowing exactly what I use Florida water for, keep watching. So one thing that I use Florida water for is to cleanse my space. I use it to clean my floors, I use it to clean my kitchen, my bathroom, just in general use it to clean the house. This bottle goes a long way because you don't need a lot. Like, you don't need a lot, you just need like a few drops. And as you're cleaning or wiping things down, use it, set an intention. This is how anal I am, y'all. If someone walks into my house and touches something, I clean it off with Florida water. Like, after they leave though. Like, because I don't want that vibe in here. Like, you know, you can be hee hee ha ha like in my face, but like, people just have demons and bad energies attached to them, and I don't want that in my home. Spiritual bath. So I've never showed a spiritual bath on my channel. I just think that's something that's very sacred that you just shouldn't record. That's just me personally. But I can show you what I use in my spiritual bath and why I use it. So if you want something like that, or you want me to share something like that with you, comment down below, let me know, give this video a thumbs up. Right before I recorded this video, I cleansed myself with it by rubbing it from behind my neck to the front of my chest on both sides, inside of my arm, my inner arm, around my ankles, and wiping down my feet. As soon as we walk outside, we are open to things attaching to us without us even knowing. This means absolutely nothing if you do not set an intention. So as I'm wiping my body down with it, it does not have a bad smell. I actually really love the way it smells. It's like a fresh citrus smell. Like, so it smells like clean clothes, like fresh laundry, but it has like a slight, very like airy, citrusy smell, if that makes sense. It smells really good. Like, me and my fiance just bought a house, and this house is over 100 years old. So as soon as we moved in, I bought a few new bottles of Florida water and a brand new sage. And when I say y'all, I cleaned the hell out of these floors. I cleaned the walls, I cleaned the windows, I cleaned every crevice of this house and saged this bitch out. Wiped the floors, wiped everything in this house, because 100 years worth of energy has been in here. People lived in here, the people that lived in here before us. I don't know who has died in this house. Like that, those are just the thoughts that I have, and I don't want anything latching onto me. So this is used to cleanse and protect you. And this is not like, oh, I'm gonna buy a bottle of Florida water and now automatically I'm cleansed and protected. Like, that's not how it works. Everything that you do, you have to do with intention. You have to set your intention with what you do so that it can manifest into your real life. Things don't happen instantly. It's not an instant magic potion. Our ancestors have taught our grandparents what this is. And if you are blessed to have a grandparent that could tell you what this is and what he or she uses it for, ask them, question them. Ask them what their parent or their grandparent told them about Florida water, and you'll be very surprised. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give this a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Give this a thumbs up if you want me to share how I do my spiritual bath. Share this video if you care. Share this video if you know someone that is confused as to what Florida water is used for. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.